Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss about logical operators in TypeScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my new uploaded video. Okay, so nowadays TypeScript is one of the most in-demand programming language. It is a superset of JavaScript programming language. It was developed by Microsoft and then introduced in the community way back in 2012. Okay, so we have here a series of variables x and y that has a boolean, true or false, and then the result boolean. So the title, we have here logical operators in TypeScript. The end operator, we have here assignment statement result. It will display the OR using two vertical bar, and then not exclamation point, result exclamation point x, this one, or x and y, and then we have here end, ampersand, to ampersand x and y for the end operator. A new line here, and end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. Don't worry, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for today's video. Let us go with our Visual Studio Code. Let us go to the terminal window, tsc TypeScript compile logical.ts. Press the return key. Let us wait for a couple of seconds for the compilation to take place. Okay, this done already. Node logical.js to execute our program. Okay, so we have here the output, logical operators in TypeScript, and operator false, or operator we have true, and not operator we have false, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to declare and use logical operators in TypeScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. If you have some questions, clarification, just leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now. Bye.